Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the only way mission and that the console reads COM. Once ready, equip the required tool or suit ability. This ensures the disable routine will run. Move close, aim at the console, and hold the interaction button for about 2 seconds. You do this because a short press triggers status info, whereas the long hold initiates the disable handshake. Make sure you have clear line of sight. If an enemy interrupts, back off and regain cover before repeating the hold. Once the handshake starts, follow the prompts exactly. A quick tap, then a hold, and a small rotation input when requested. You do this because the console expects a multi-step input to bypass built-in safeguards. Keep an eye on the progress bar. Any damage or stun will reset it. If combat is nearby, use a stun gadget or stealth takedown to keep enemies from interrupting. Once the rotation input completes, the bar should reach full. Don't release early, or you'll need to start over. After the final input, verify the console displays disabled and the mission updates. This confirms success. If the console resets or returns to active, clear nearby threats and repeat the long hold sequence. Many failures come from interruption rather than a bug. If the console stays unresponsive after multiple attempts, reload the last checkpoint to clear a possible state glitch. One key tip: make sure you have no temporary debuffs. Those can prevent interaction inputs from registering correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.